Hello, viewers, and welcome back to Ashnik's channel. Ashnik, as you know, is the pioneer in bringing enterprise open source solutions and services across Southeast Asia and India that enables organizations like yours to adopt open source for their digital transformation goals. I'm Rituraj, a marketing manager working at Ashnik, and today I am being joined by Arun, who is an Elasticsearch expert himself from Ashnik. He has recently attended the ElasticSearch training at Bangalore and is keen to share his insights on his experience and takeaways. So, welcome, Arun. Uh, why don't we start by introducing yourself and telling us a little bit about your background?
Hi Rudras, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Myself Arun Kumar. I have been working as a Elastic expert in Ashnik Technology Solution since 2020 to support and develop solutions for Elastic Stack.
Okay, that's great. So, Arun, you have recently attended the Elasticsearch training at Bangalore, right? So,
Yes.
share with our viewers some of your key learnings or takeaways at the training there that you had attended.
Yeah, actually, Rudras, that is the first time I have attended. It was an amazing experience at Bangalore Elastic Training to learn and explore latest and greatest in the Elastic world. So I'm looking forward to being a part of such amazing Elastic trainings. In that I got to know about generative AI and general search and how we can integrate that generative AI with Elasticsearch, and in many ways that Elastic Learn sparse encoded can help to perform semantic search to retrieve more relevant results. And then in that observability, in that next session, I have learned observability basics as well as topics like APM and then uptime and then synthetic apps, as well as in depth about the data collections.
Right, Arun. That sounds very intriguing. And as you mentioned, generative AI, that's the talk of the
Yeah.
town, isn't it? So,
Yes. Yes.
having said that, could you also give us a sneak peek into, whether you got to know about or learned about some new features there? I'm sorry, whether you got to know about some entirely new features or improvements on the existing ones, perhaps in Elasticsearch?
Actually, in my view, generative AI with the Elasticsearch is a new feature, but it is not a built-in feature. So, however, generative AI with Elasticsearch is a concept that developers and organization might implement based on their use cases. And the observability part also is a new, I can say that is a new feature that some of the improvements introduced over the time to enhance the monitoring and logging and analytics capability within the Elasticsearch.
Right, very true. In your opinion, do you think that these new features or improvements are helping to remove perhaps some of the old bottlenecks or problems that were being faced previously?
Actually, combining Elasticsearch with the generative AI, it's can build question and answer capability for our data, and it will address several challenges, as well as it will improve the capability of the Elasticsearch, and it will improve overall experience by provide overall user experience by providing relevant and personalized search. And with observability, Elasticsearch provides view of the system, as well as it will quicker detection of and resolution of issues. This proactive approach actually minimize the downtime and improve the overall efficiency of the systems.
Right, Arun. It's always exciting to see, technology evolving time and again to tackle such challenges from time in and time out. Great.
Yes.
Uh, Also, could you help us understand if the training which you had attended, was it a more hands-on approach, or perhaps was it a more focused on sharing of information?
See, actually, in that I said right that generative AI with Elasticsearch is a hands-on training. They have shared that deployment details, and with that we have integrated. And the next observability part is the information training only.
Okay, okay, surely. Hands-on experience is, practical hands-on experience is any day crucial, as we all
Yeah, for
know.
observability, I think hands-on experience is not required. They explain what is the future, and what it will be do, and how we can use that observability future. That's it.
Okay, okay, good to know that. Uh, can you now enlighten us on perhaps if there was any feature that they talked about specifically, and if you learned anything most from that feature?
See, features I learn means they talk mostly about that generative AI means generative AI and general search like a lexical search, semantic search, and then vector search and natural language processing and a large language model and retrieval augmented generation. In details about the Elastic Learn Sparse encoder, and with that pre-built deployment of the Elasticsearch. We have integrated the Elasticsearch with the generative AI by their instructions. And in that observability session, I got to know about that entire observability basics and how we can collect the data, as well as some deployment of the Elastic agent and API data flow, and the setup of the integration to get the data from the Elastic agent, and then Elastic anomaly detection and matrices, uptime, as well some of not in detail, some of brief discussion about real user monitoring as well as synthetic apps.
Right, Arun. That's very, very fascinating to know such crucial insights. Uh, do you also foresee some of these features perhaps being implemented in any customer projects going forward?
Absolutely. Actually, integration generative AI with Elasticsearch will enhance the search functionality and provide content recommendation, as well as provide some more relevant and personalized results for the end users. And that
Oh,
observability, we can proactively monitor, means we can proactively monitor and logging, analyze the optimize the performance of the system also.
okay. Okay, great. We also hope and look forwards towards the implementation of these at customer sites or for customer implementation.
So, yeah.
Now, as an Elasticsearch expert, do you foresee any particular Elastic trends for 2024 and beyond?
Actually, generative AI is the main trend in 2024 and beyond. By that, it will become a powerful tool, and it will provide the more such improvements, and then it will become the and knowledge. It will become a knowledge management thing.
Right, right. And how according to you, how do you think this trend of generative AI will have an impact on the technology industry, particularly in the context of open source or in the realm of open source?
In the open source technology means open source have been a game changer. So Elastic is the behind of the Elastic Search. Is they committed to open source. It's because they believe that open source would be main useful thing to develop the software. So Elasticsearch had a transformative impact on the open source technology industries, because it will provide a powerful search capable improve the capability of the Elasticsearch.
Correct, correct. Now, a very important question, which I'm sure some of our viewers must have been waiting to hear. So, as an
Yeah.
Elasticsearch expert,
Yeah.
what recommendations would you provide for somebody who wishes to become an Elasticsearch expert like you?
To become an Elastic expert, I can say that they have to attend some online and on-site training that Elasticsearch offering, and they have to have a hands-on practice, and they have to staying updated for the latest developments and updates.
Correct. Staying updated is the name of the game, isn't it? That's some
Yes,
solid
yes.
advice right there. for those looking to deep dive into Elasticsearch. If any of our viewers would like to know more, they can connect with us on the details provided on the screen. So, lastly, what are your go-to references for staying updated yourself in Elasticsearch?
For staying updated means they have to check the official documentation of the Elasticsearch, and they have to keep an eye on the Elastic releasing notes, and they have to join the Elastic community forum, as well as they have to check the Elastic newsletters to getting update on the Elastic updates and everything.
Right, correct. On that note, viewers, do not forget to subscribe to Ashnik's The Ashnik Times newsletter for staying updated on not only Elasticsearch but all other important updates from the world of open source. Now, wrapping up, any concluding remarks or thoughts that you have about this Elasticsearch training that you recently had attended?
I can say that Elastic has to conduct these type of trainings more in future with more time, because in that one day they have almost uh, a lot of information they have shared in that one day itself. So instead of that, if they take more time to uh, explore more these futures, it will be useful for everyone, because the time constraint due to the time constraint we can't understand each and everything, not only you, me, and everyone. It's a natural thing. So if they conduct those, if in future if they conduct those type of elastic training, they have to take more time to explain each and everything future and new deployments. Because in recent time we know a lot of things are came to Elasticsearch and the upgrades, so we don't know few of the things. So if they conduct more trainings on the upgrades or any new development or anything, it will be better. It will be useful for everyone.
Right. Well said. I agree that conducting training time and again to understand the latest updates and get the latest insights into not only Elasticsearch but technology in general is what helps you to stay ahead of the curve, isn't it? And that's what I think makes the world of technology, especially open source, fun and interesting to work with. So
Yes,
thank
yes.
you, Arun, for sharing your valuable
Yeah,
perspectives with us today. It's been a pleasure having you.
yeah.
And to our
Thank you.
wonderful
Thank you.
audience out there, thank you for joining us on this discussion. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell notification icon to receive regular updates from the world of open source. Thank you.